How to get $80 Uber Eats promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you will see the search box. Type in Uber Eats promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Uber Eats. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer. Just scroll and check $15 off, $20 off, $15 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just click on it. So here is the code, copy it, then click on redeem at Uber Eats. You'll be directed to the official website of Uber Eats. Now you can log into your account, browse through the menu, select the items that you want to order, proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find this section of code. Over there, paste your code and confirm your order. With that, you will get the discount in your purchase. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this page, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Uber Eats. Lastly, make sure to go through these websites as well, because these websites will also provide you working promo code for Uber Eats. This way, you can easily get up to $80 Uber Eats working promo code. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.